The Smart Kitchen Revolution. How technology is changing the way we cook. If you think the kitchen is just about pots, pans, and a bit of elbow grease, think again. In 2025, the modern kitchen is turning into a hub of innovation, and it's happening faster than most of us expected. Smart kitchens are not just a trend, they're reshaping our daily routines. Imagine refrigerators that tell you when your food is about to spoil, or ovens that can be controlled remotely via your smartphone. This new wave of kitchen tech is all about making cooking more efficient, reducing food waste, and even helping us eat healthier. The rise of AI-driven appliances and connected devices means your kitchen is starting to think for you. The most popular gadgets right now include smart refrigerators with built-in cameras and inventory management systems, which let you check your fridge contents while you shop. There are also intelligent ovens that recognize recipes and set cooking times and temperatures automatically. Voice-activated assistants, like those integrated into smart speakers, now help you follow recipes hands-free. Meanwhile, coffee machines that remember your perfect brew and water purifiers that test your tap water quality in real time are quickly becoming household essentials. Each of these innovations saves time and takes the guesswork out of daily kitchen tasks. Health and sustainability are also driving forces in the smart kitchen revolution. Nutrition tracking apps linked with your fridge or pantry can suggest recipes based on what you have at home, reducing waste and ensuring a balanced diet. Composting machines designed for indoor use are now compact enough to fit under the sink, making it easier than ever to reduce organic waste. On the energy front, eco-friendly dishwashers and induction cooktops are leading the way in reducing electricity and water consumption. The kitchen of the future doesn't just aim to be convenient. It's also environmentally conscious and tailored to your health needs. Looking ahead, experts predict even more seamless integration between kitchen appliances and personal health devices. Imagine a kitchen that syncs with your smartwatch, adjusting your meal plan based on your activity levels and health metrics. Virtual cooking classes streamed directly to your smart display could make learning new recipes a breeze. There's even talk of robotic kitchen assistants that can chop, stir, and plate your meals with precision. As these technologies continue to evolve, one thing is certain: the kitchen is no longer just the heart of the home. It's becoming the brain too.